First thing we're going to do is kill the power to it. Don't want to cost a family member a $10,000 funeral over a $35 element.